Hi, I'm Katie Newcome. I work as Marketing Administrator at Hogan Design and Construction. Another aspect of my life is the arts in general. I grew up as a dancer and performer, and I always painted. And as I've gotten older, I'm not able to continue all of it with children and family life and work, but I am able to continue to paint. I truly enjoy the pastime of spending time reflecting and building and creating something, and painting allows me to do that and to remain creative and to create visions and bring them to life, which is kind of what we do at Hogan Design and Construction.